Hello everyone, and welcome back to Speak Easy English, the podcast where you improve your English just by listening.
Hi everyone, I'm Jake.
And I'm Emma. If this is your first time here, don't worry. You don't need a notebook right now, just relax and listen.
Exactly. Today's episode is a long, relaxed conversation. Perfect if you're studying, driving, or having a coffee.
And our topic today is very simple, but very important: daily life and habits.
Because if you can talk about your daily life in English, you can talk about almost anything.
That's true. So Jake, let me start with a simple question.
How does your day usually begin? My day usually begins around 7 in the morning. I wake up, but I don't get out of bed immediately.
Same here. I usually stay in bed for a few minutes and check my phone.
Yes, I check my messages and sometimes the weather.
That's a good word for our listeners. Weather. It means the temperature, rain, sun, or snow outside.
After that, I get up and make my bed. Do you make your bed every day?
Honestly, not every day, but I try.
I feel the same way. Then I go to the kitchen and make coffee.
Coffee is very important for many people.
Definitely. Emma, do you prefer coffee or tea?
I prefer coffee in the morning, but tea in the evening.
That's interesting. In the morning, coffee helps me feel awake.
Another useful phrase: feel awake. It means you are not sleepy anymore.
After coffee, I usually eat a light breakfast.
What do you usually eat?
Toast, eggs, or sometimes just fruit.
That sounds healthy. Let's talk about work. Jake, what do you usually do after breakfast?
I usually start work around 9 o'clock. I work from home, so I don't commute.
That's a great word, commute. It means traveling from home to work.
Right. Before, I used to commute every day, but now I work online.
Do you like working from home?
Yes, but sometimes it's difficult to focus.
Focus means to concentrate.
Exactly. Sometimes I get distracted by my phone or social media.
That happens to many people.
Emma, do you prefer working alone or with other people?
I prefer a mix. I like working alone when I need to think deeply, but I enjoy teamwork too.
Teamwork is very important in many jobs.
For our listeners, teamwork means working together with other people.
Let's talk about breaks. Do you take breaks during work?
Yes, I try to take short breaks every hour.
What do you usually do during your break?
I stand up, stretch, and sometimes look out the window.
Stretching is very good for your body.
Yes, and it helps my mind relax.
After work, I usually feel tired but happy.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I like watching movies or going for a walk.
Walking is a great habit.
Emma, how do you usually relax?
I like reading books or listening to music.
That sounds peaceful.
Let's move to the evening. What do you usually do at night?
I usually eat dinner around 7.
Do you cook at home or order food?
I cook at home most of the time.
That's impressive.
Thank you. After dinner, I try not to use my phone too much.
That's a good habit. Many people use their phones before bed.
Yes, but it can make it hard to sleep.
For listeners, hard to sleep means you cannot fall asleep easily.
Before bed, I usually read or listen to a podcast.
Hopefully, our podcast.
Of course.
Before we finish, let's give our listeners some advice.
Good idea. Emma, what advice do you have for learning English?
My advice is simple. Listen every day, even for 10 minutes.
I agree. And don't be afraid of making mistakes.
Mistakes help you learn.
Try to speak English out loud, even if you are alone.
That's very important. That's all for today's episode.
Thank you for listening to Speak Easy English.
If you enjoyed this conversation, please like and subscribe on YouTube.
And leave a comment telling us about your daily routine.
See you next time.
Bye everyone.